Welcome to our channel. Discover how to activate your U.S. Bank credit card in just a few simple steps, so you can start using it without delay. Welcome to our channel if you've recently received your U.S. Bank credit card and are wondering how to activate it quickly and securely. You've come to the right place. Activating your card is essential before you can start using it for purchases, whether online or in store. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get your card up and running effortlessly. Step 1. Locate your U.S. Bank credit card and the materials that came with it, including the activation instructions and the phone number or website link provided. Step 2. Choose your preferred activation method. U.S. Bank offers multiple convenient options. You can activate your card by phone, online through their website, or via the U.S. Bank mobile app. Step 3. To activate by phone, simply call the toll-free number printed on the sticker attached to your new card or on the activation materials. Call. Be ready to provide your card number, last 4 digits of your social security number, and other identifying information as requested. Step 4. For online activation, visit the official U.S. Bank website, go to the credit card activation page, and enter the required details such as your card number, expiration date, and your personal identification information. Step 5. If you prefer using technology, download the U.S. Bank mobile app, available on both Android and iOS devices. Log into your account or create one if you have not done so already. Find the option to activate your new credit card and follow the prompt. Step 6. Once the activation process is complete, you will typically receive a confirmation message or email. Your card is now ready to use for purchases, phone payments, or online shopping. Step 7. For security, be aware that once the card is activated, if you notice any unauthorized activity, report it immediately through U.S. Bank customer service. Step 8. Remember to sign the back of your card as soon as you activate it to protect yourself against fraud and unauthorized use. Step 9. Keep your card and your account information safe and regularly monitor your account activity through online banking or the app to stay updated on all transactions. Activating your U.S. Bank credit card is a simple but important step to unlock the full benefits and convenience of your card. Whether you choose phone, online, or app activation, the process is designed to be user-friendly and secure, so don't wait. Take a few minutes now to activate your new U.S. Bank credit card and enjoy seamless spending experiences from everyday purchases to big investments. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful financial tips and guides.